speak. Only sir is the biggest example. Can you
Who
give me
is the-
another
Yes,
example?
I'm
Can you give
example.
me-
Many men are here who
Have you
do the
proof?
same.
Have you proof?
who
We
do
have
the
proof,
same
Suraj
thing.
sir. Have you another proof? You
Yes, I am.
give example. You don't have proof to
Your
To,
own
to
self.
prove this
You
point.
have- Yes.
You can
Yes,
prove your own self.
and I help him when I woke up. Then after I go to my college. After when I come, I went to my
I go to my
I go to my shop. Then I came here, and then on night 8 p.m.
I again go back to my shop.
I'm
No. I will go back to my
at home.
I want
What
to
are you
answer.
doing?
answer.
one second.
My homework.
One second.
College works.
Okay.
Mother
I-
helping
As you say, the man who works forward their home and then come, but after that come he what he do your kitchen work, he manage their home, they
Some
get
boys-
ready for
some
their
boys-
just listen
listen, Ada.
just listen.
Calm down.
Men who wake up early in their family and then get ready for their own work, and also get do ready their children's, their husband, their family man, and ready the breakfast, lunch, and then go for office, both their husband and wife both. Then after coming, the husband doesn't do any work, but the wife made for food for all over the family and manage the all
Yes.
over the house.
when sorry.
She has a student. Let him answer.
Sir, what you say? After coming home at late night, only girls do their work like cooking or anything.
Arranging the house.
Boys are also sir, क्या कहते हैं? Cook. Boys are also cook food and also doing
The same thing
the
that
same thing
the
that girls will do.
Hmm.
Because we see that there is some dangerous girls in the house. Put it pressure on his husband or what to do his work. And if he deny to work the house at late night, she sir वो पटक देना.
She throws the things off.
Throws the things off.
Okay, yes. One. Yes, Sarah.
Sir, I want to answer Adit Bhaiya. As you say, our biggest example is Suraj sir. I am also saying that Suraj sir is the best.
Best version of
Okay. His wives are also doing their homework.
Of course.
If boys can manage their home, girls also do their office works, YouTube works, and school works. If someone compromise their works for him,
For his wife.
for his wife, you can also respect their wives also, and she is also doing their work for 24 hours.
Yes.
He is also doing hard work.
Yes. Himanshu.
But both are better. But boys tension are most related tension, because if you have no money for running your own home,
Livelihood.
earning livelihood is the most
Important factor.
Because you have no money, you can't
Do
purchase
it.
anything, and sir जिंदगी गुजारने के लिए
Survive the life.
survive the life.
As Himanshu says that boys have more tension than a girl, but in my opinion, girl have also have tension to earn money, stress to earn money.
But
I want to say
Sorry.
something.
but
After I want to say something.
Let Sadhna finish.
but you have no money. You go to your father. Papa, please give me money.
No, I am the example of my mom. I am not Papa. Please give me money
I
for
So what you do? So what you do?
I will
Pay
Papa.
money here.
What? 1 second.
So what you do?
Yes.
Your father.
You are saying boys have many burdens. What about girls? they have completing their own burden of completing their career, and after they have give pressure by parents to marriage, and after the marriage they have a law, they have mother-in-law and many of law, they tease her for dowry and many of cases. What about this? What about these burdens that the girl is facing? What are you?
So the girl is married.
And her husband also involved in how much मिल जाए.
in a front of earning money. In a front of earning money, this burden is so small.
No, this is not.
As we all say, the man go and then cook. Also, just as you say, you all go and then cook their help their mother for cooking the food.
Yes.
But
Yes,
we
yes,
all.
yes, we are, yes, we are. I am.
Okay.
Who will, sir? Please, sir, who say it first? We all are. If we are, we are. For example, I am helping my mother in the kitchen for cooking food, preparing and dusting the home and sir, क्या ये सब है sir?
Daily.
Daily routine works for the women are also done by the men who are from kindergarten age or
Upper age.
He says that husband help her wife. Then husband help her wife. Her in-laws called him.
If someone says he is a handpack. If someone says he is a handpack, let him speak. Let him say. What did he do? If you are doing your wife's work, helping your wife, no one can judge you. Everyone judge you, but everyone can't. Everyone can't stop you from working with your wife.
Yes. Sir,
If a man or if any man works for their family, if they have fever or cold, they take leave. But what about the woman who is working for their family? She has many physical problems. She is working in her pain. What can you say about this? If she want to take leave, she can't take. She work continuously for family, and you all You all are saying that women can't do for their family.
I know my uncle, my father, my sir, mamu क्या कहेंगे? मामू को
Maternal uncle.
Maternal uncle, everyone in the family. Even my grandfather, who helped my grandmother when he
And
was
what
ill.
about the world? And it is not about only your family. There is many cases. I see in my own houses. I see in my own house.
We are
that
eyewitness
my mother is
in our
doing work
locality.
in her pain.
Firstly, you are saying who helps his wife. Then I give you example. Who you are taking it at the global level.
No, it is not about one or two family. It is all about the world problem. Every world has problem that girls can't do this, girls can't do this, girls cannot have a freedom. And when you
can only say in India, but in the world, in the around world and like Europe or America, girls have equal opportunities and equal life.
That was not the topic who is strong and who is weak, who is emotional and who is not emotional. The topic is who is a better offspring.
See,
And the girl, because girls are very creative, very tolerative in nature, and they have lots of knowledge and skills how to maintain their houses.
Oh, I don't
In a
know.
single line.
you know the
Please stay on the topic. Please stay on the topic.
Let us finish this debate. And as we have discussed, who is better offspring, girls and boys? Girls and boys both are better offspring. We can't compare a single girl with a single boy, and we can't compare a single boy with a single girl. As the generation is going on rapidly, and we can see easily all around us, girls are increasing day by day. They are in every sector, and they have to do a lot of work, lot of pressure they have to face every time, every second, except boys. And as you were discussing each other, because if we talk about better offspring, a better son or better daughter, and we can only see according to this perception that who is better. And you have discussed boys versus girls.
Yes. Boys and girls.
Boys versus girl you have discussed.
Who is better?
But the topic was something else. Who serves their father, mother best? Yes, a girl has to leave her own house after some time, after a few days, after some years.
She has to leave.
She has to go, she has to leave. A boy remains stick with his father, with his mother. But even after this, the nature of a girl is humanity, is passionate. So that's why they serve their parents best, even after in their laws' homes.
Because they are soft-hearted.
Of course, they have a mother nature from the very beginning of their life. That's why they are better. And I won't say that boys are not. Girls help them physically, mentally, and most of the time economically as well.
Yes.
But if we talk about boys support, most of the time they help economically, mentally as well, but it is sometime.
It depends upon the nature.
It depends, of course it depends upon the nature, but most of the boys do not have the same perception as the girls have. So that's why the topic we can't conclude again, as I have already told many times that
That's why
this type of topics cannot be concluded.
That's why I
Fine.
said in the starting that this is only a debate.
You have started quite good.
Sir, but the topic is who is better offspring. According to me, the gender is not the reason who is better or not. If you are help to your parents in worse situation, you are better offspring.
Good. You also want to say something?
The conclusion is that there is a perception built around the boys since the childhood that the girls are inferior than the boys. That's the main reason boys have the comfort and suitability that which provides the household to him. The perception is that girls are inferior, girls are more softer, and girls are physically and mentally more inferior than boys. They can't go outside, they can't work outside, they can't study more. At the fixed age they have to go to their other home, law's home, and when he gets suffered a lot law's home, everyone says that yeah, this is your responsibility, we got a best husband for you, you have to suffer. Every girl suffers. Thank you.
Hello everyone. We all are favoring the girls. Yes, there is both are right and both are serve their parents, but sometimes boys have some lack of time actually. The boys go forward for earning the money, and the girls for their parents stay their parents. That's why the girl is more emotionally attached their parents and serve their parents, as well as boys also. But sometime in the debate the question is that the girls after marriage who goes for their law's home, so then how the girls serve their parents. The girls go after in their law's home as like a daughter, not a not a daughter-in-law, as a daughter, and the other girls who come on that house as like also as a daughter.
Yes.
So no, that you say that the girls was go and there is no any girl to serve their parents. And there is one slogan in Hindi, लड़के भाग्य से मिलते हैं but लड़कियां सौभाग्य से मिलती हैं. That is says the slogan is as well as the whole meaning. The girls are superior than boys.
Please don't be offended. It was just a topic, and people were discussing. So don't be offended, and you audience, don't be offended. It was just a topic. It was just a debate. So girls are girls and boys are boys. Boys will favor, of course, boys, and girls will favor, of course, girls. Thank you so much watching the video. Meet you very soon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Like, share and subscribe.
Also